In this video we will explore how to delete and clone your existing Juji chatbots. Why would you want to clone or delete your Juji chatbot? Because it's so quick and easy to create fully functioning, intelligent AI chatbots with Juji, you will find that the number of chatbots you have built can become unwieldy. The ability to delete test bots, previous clones, and bots that are no longer needed helps you stay organized and stops you making errors. When it comes to cloning an existing bot, you may either want to use this for testing new ideas, features and dialogue, or need to share it with colleagues and other businesses. The deleting process. From the Chatbots page, click the card menu, 3 dots, and then click Delete. You'll then be asked, are you sure you want to delete this engagement? If you are unsure, click Cancel. If you are sure, click I am sure. You will not see any further messages, but the chatbot will vanish from your chatbots list. Cloning is done in a very similar way. From the Chatbots page, click the card menu on the card you want to clone. Click Clone. You will not see any further dialogue from Juji, but will notice a new chatbot has been created with the name clone of chatbot name. This clone should be renamed to prevent any confusion and is now ready to edit and test. I hope that was useful. If you have any further questions, just reach out. Take care.